I also want to understand, like Ednovate, where you have started, provides. So there are various features, and there's 6 pillars of Ednovate, and one pillar being a rigorous writing practice.
Oh yeah, it helped me a lot, honestly. I still remember I was so relaxed during my actual exam. I'm like, okay, 3 hours, it would be done. Still, many of my subjects, they were completed 10 minutes prior or 5-10 minutes prior. That was a big feat for me. I still remember costing when I first attempted the 100-mark paper at Ednovate. I didn't complete. So I was crying in my costing paper. Won't be able to complete this. And then I wrote many papers, and obviously teachers helped me. During my costing test, I completed 10 minutes prior. So yeah, that was very...
It's a euphoric moment. Yes, I've done it.
It was like, yeah, yes, I could do this, yeah. I wrote all my papers complete. That was a big achievement for me. Like, okay, done this. But we wrote many papers. I still remember. My mom used to be like, "Abhi to paper likha tha tune." Like, nahi mummy, hai papers abhi bhi bahut sare.
So, do you think it's a unique feature, and I think that also brought you nearer to your goal of achieving the rank?
Oh, I completely, concentrate, or I would say, I'm glorifying right now the writing practice. Definitely without it, I wouldn't have done this. I'm so sure. Rank to nahi hoga, obviously. But I'm so sure that writing practice is the only thing that, brought me here. Apart from the teaching, obviously. Yeah.
Okay. Something which you really liked about Ednovate in terms of the services which you provided. There's a lot of technological intervention, right from the scanning of an app for your attendance till the time you go back home, and within 2 hours you get your recorded lecture. So it's an entire platform which is being provided to you.
So obviously there are times when I can't always attend the classes. Maybe I'm ill, maybe I have to go to college sometimes, or I don't know, any unexpected situation. So honestly, recorded lectures were the only thing that saved me out. That's the best thing about it. I get recorded lectures as soon as the classes ended. I'm like, okay, I'm on par with my peers. So, because backlogs are actually horrible.
Right.
I know I had some backlogs and it took me months to clear them out. So yeah, that's the best thing about it.